My video guide is about getting rid of the ransomware type infection that is called Mxf1bd. This is the random set of characters, but the ransomware is real and true. It is able to damage the files that customers store on their computers, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office, and other data. You have just seen that before the ransomware attack we were able to open any files without troubles. But the point is that because of certain existing vulnerabilities in the security of the specific computer, this particular ransomware may be easily injected into the system. Then you might suddenly realize that the files have been horribly encrypted and damaged by this particular ransomware called Mxf1bd. So the ransomware encrypts these files and does not allow customers to use this data anymore. Pretty soon people, after restarting the computer, realize that something bad has happened with the files and that they cannot access these files anymore. This is what happens. They try to open the specific file, but they get a message saying that Windows cannot open this type of file with the Mxf1bd extension. The ransomware then tells the victims to pay a certain ransom for file restoration. However, paying the ransom, of course, is not a good solution because this doesn't guarantee that your files would be restored. So do not ever pay the ransom, because you may simply lose your money for nothing. We recommend you to remove this particular ransomware with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. I'll show you this page, combocleaner.com. Go to this official resource, use this green download button, install the program, and start researching and investigating your computer with its help. Combo Cleaner functions as anti-malware and anti-ransomware. It will help you to detect this particular infection on your computer, and of course it will help you to remove this particular infection effectively. As you see, sometimes it is not possible to actually fully remove this ransomware because the ransomware might restart your computer, and then you might not be able to actually use any ransomware removal tool. So we recommend you to perform the recovery of your data through available backups, if they are available, or if there is any restore point available on your computer. And remember that Combo Cleaner will help you to always protect your data from being damaged and encrypted in the future.